Why is cultural diffusion important in human geography? Imagine a world where every culture remained isolated, with no sharing or mixing of ideas. It would be a very different place from the vibrant, diverse world we see today. Cultural diffusion is what connects different groups of people and helps cultures grow and change. It is a key part of understanding how societies develop and interact across regions. Cultural diffusion happens when people share parts of their culture, like food, music, clothing, or beliefs, with others. This sharing can happen in many ways. When people move from one place to another, they bring their traditions with them. This is called relocation diffusion. For example, immigrants bringing their food and customs to new countries introduce new cultural elements. Another way is expansion diffusion, where ideas spread outward from a central point. Contagious diffusion is when ideas spread quickly through close contact, like a popular song or dance that everyone starts doing. Hierarchical diffusion occurs when trends start in big cities or influential places and then spread to smaller towns or communities. Stimulus diffusion happens when an idea spreads but gets changed or adapted to fit the new culture, like a new recipe using local ingredients. Cultural diffusion is important because it helps explain how cultures influence each other and evolve over time. It shows that no culture exists in isolation but is part of a larger web of connections. This process creates new cultural practices and helps people understand and appreciate different ways of life. It also makes societies more diverse and interesting. For students learning about geography, understanding cultural diffusion makes the subject more lively. You can see how foods like pizza or sushi became popular worldwide, or how music styles like hip-hop spread from one country to many others. Teachers can use maps to show where cultural traits started and how they traveled. Role-playing activities can help students imagine themselves as travelers sharing ideas and traditions. In short, cultural diffusion is a vital part of human geography because it explains how cultures grow, change, and connect across regions. It helps us see the world as a place where people and ideas are always moving and mixing, shaping the societies we live in today.